Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable bounce keys on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And now you want to go down until you get to accessibility, select that and then scroll all the way down or close to the bottom where it says physical keyboard options. And there should be an area in here that says bounce keys. The keyboard ignores quick repeated presses of the same key within 500 milliseconds. If you want to enable bounce keys, click inside the oval to toggle that on. Otherwise, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval until it's grayed out like you see on my screen. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.